Hey, what's up? It's Vid from Midwest Mods, and I'm going to be working on the Sylvia today. Is it Sylvia or should I call it 240? I guess I'll just call it 240. I don't know. I guess people call it Sylvia. So I'm just going to pull it in right here, and we're going to just quickly power wash the engine bay a little bit, get it all cleaned up. And then I'm going to start taking off the parts that are in the way right now, like the splash guard. The fender liners are kind of in the way, and I just need to see what's wrong with the front end. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to pull it up and start working. All right. Alright, so we made some progress here. I took off the splash guard. I took off this little intake resonator, some bulb, the fender liner on the passenger side. This fender liner is over here. It got blown because it's windy today. So I just wanted to show a little bit while I have the wheel off. I started putting it back on, but then I remember I want to show you this. So it's got these coilovers. They're unbranded, so they're probably some really cheapo ones, but they look nice. Sorry about the wind if you hear it. I'll try to cover it up. But yeah, these are the coilovers that it has. Then it has like some tie rods that look adjustable. This boot needs to be readjusted because it's like, yeah, it needs to be like replaced. But yeah, that's kind of what it has. It's got these like adjustments here. I don't know, this little thing twists. I got to do some more research on this, but that's it for now. I'm just gonna put it back down on the wheels. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to get a tire for that rim because it's effed right now. Then I'm gonna try to pull the frame out, like the rebar, using that post, but we'll see. And then I'm just gonna power wash this thing. I'm gonna spray it with degreaser, and I'm just gonna try to get all the grease off of it, just so that it's easier and more comfortable to work on. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Alright, so we got this thing cleaned up. It's looking way better now. This was so greasy here because of the power steering reservoir or the lines or something. It's still super greasy. Just wanted to basically make it comfortable to work on. And right now I'm just gonna clean up all the crap that's inside. There's like a bag of stuff. There's something in the trunk. There's like some jugs of oil. There's like some parts here, bag of crap, all this stuff. So I'm just gonna clean that up. I'm just gonna clean that up, and then I'm just gonna put it back, and that's it. Let me know what you think about this 240. If there's any mods that I don't know of that I should know of, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if there's a good place for information about these, because I want to know everything. And if you want to see more of this 240 and its progress, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And if you did like this video, hit the thumbs up. It really helps our channel. And yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.